If you are researching the gastric sleeve, you have probably read the horror stories online about severe acid reflux after surgery. But what if I told you that the surgery itself isn't always the problem? The real culprit might be a hidden issue you don't even know you have. Today, we are going to talk about acid reflux, bariatric surgery, and the critical step that many surgeons skip, which could leave you miserable. Hi, I'm Dr. Sandy Martínez, a bariatric and metabolic surgeon. Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about a medical reality, acid reflux or GERD. Many patients think they don't have to worry about reflux after a gastric sleeve because they don't have heartburn right now. But here is a statistic that shocks most of my patients. Up to 50% of patients struggling with obesity actually have a hiatal hernia, and the vast majority of them have absolutely zero symptoms before surgery. So what is a hiatal hernia and why doesn't it bother you now? Your diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen. Your esophagus passes through a small hole in this muscle called hiatus, right before it connects to your stomach. A hiatal hernia happens when that hole stretches out. This is actual footage from the operating room. On the screen right now, you are looking at an unrepaired hiatal hernia. If you can see how wide that space is, as an expert bariatric surgeon, it is absolute priority to look for it during surgery. If I find it, I repair it immediately. Now look at the after. We place surgical stitches to carefully close the hiatus back into its normal size. This recreates the natural barrier. Now, when you carry extra weight, your stomach is large and bulky. Because of its size, a large stomach acts like an anchor. It physically cannot slide up easily into your chest through that stretched hole. That is why you don't feel reflux right now. But here is where everything changes. When we perform a gastric sleeve, we remove about 80% of your stomach, turning it from a large pouch into a narrow tube. Suddenly, you have a small, sleek stomach that has no resistance. If that stretched hole, the hiatal hernia, is not fixed during your surgery, that new, narrow stomach will act like a straw and slide straight up into your chest cavity. This destroys the natural valve mechanisms and the result, severe, painful acid reflux. By doing this critical repair, we keep your new stomach exactly where it belongs, in your abdomen, not in your chest. This is why choosing your surgeon carefully matters so much. Some high-volume centers skip this step to save time in the operating room. But skipping a hiatal hernia repair means a high chance of developing severe GERD, which can lead to daily medication, damage to your esophagus, and eventually the need for a revision surgery to a gastric bypass. Weight loss surgery is about improving your quality of health, not trading obesity for severe heartburn. If you want a surgical team that treats you comprehensively and prioritizes your long-term health, I would love to evaluate your case. Click the link in the description below to visit my website and to schedule your personal evaluation with me.